Question number 8. Tammy is asking, I'm literally 5 people right now. How do you manage? Stay till the end of this video to get a no BS answer to this question that you will get nowhere else, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Delegation is at the core of the business growth. How to delegate when everything is over the place and you are doing work of 5 people simultaneously. So there are several steps that you take. Step number 1, you set up a timetable sheet and record all tasks that you do on a daily basis and the time allocated to these tasks. You do it for 2 weeks. 2 weeks later, the step number 2, you make a pivot table on how many hours per week do you spend doing every task. After that, you do step number 3. You decide which task can be easily outsourced to somebody else, to a virtual assistant. So step number 3, decide which task can be easily outsourced to a virtual assistant. Step number 4, a very important one, write a standard operational procedure for this task, including KPIs you want to measure weekly to see the performance of your virtual assistant. You have been doing this task for 2 weeks or longer, so you already know all the steps that are to be done. Write a standard operational procedure and use this standard operational procedure to train your virtual assistant. I'm saying virtual assistants, it can be an assistant that works in your office as well. It can be an assistant that lives in your city but works remote. It can be a virtual assistant that you hire offshore, for example, from Philippines. The step number 5 is to find several virtual assistants and test them based on your standard operational procedure. And the step number 6 would be to hire a virtual assistant who will execute this particular task based on your standard operational procedure. And you will be measuring the performance of this virtual assistant based on the KPIs that this assistant will report upon weekly. If you need help with your fashion business and support by like-minded fashion brand owners, join 14 Days Free Trial and Fashion Business Mastermind mentorship program that helps you quit fear, gain focus, and streamline your fashion business. The link to the program is in bio or in the description under this video.